On the morning of 9th December 2022, members of the Hynniewtrep National Youth Movement (Hnym), under the leadership of its president Louis Dohtdong, had accosted more than 40 vehicles overloaded with products that include coal, coke and limestone in Ri Bhoi district. An FIR to this effect was lodged by the organization at the Mawlai Police Station, Shillong, after their return. At a press conference held this evening, Louis Dohtdong said that the illegal plying of such overloaded trucks will one day damage the already fragile Umiam bridge, causing destruction to low-lying areas adjacent to the Umiam Dam. Further, the Hnym president blamed the people included in the so-called high-level list, businessmen and their agents, should damage be caused to the bridge and destruction to the place and its people. With the collapse of the Umiam bridge, the entire state of Meghalaya would be automatically cut off from neighbouring Assam and other states, thereby impacting communication, added the Hnym president.
Overloading truck. Kibaya langba jong ketik surok na Mawlai support jikin nam site. Te hadian ba bor provincial step ngala fonia I OC jong Mawlai Police Station. Mana kalian jong in pha ya ki pulit traffic bakin deban tersange iknik truck nomor play hadian ba ke sarkar Meghalaya langba jong ka transport department hagalai trik umnaju harjar war kalau peni ya kan notification ba bet so banya ya kinu ki kali kit kya ki bakit palat ka arpotang te ke was ngosi kalong ba kini ki trok ki bakit mau bakit maulen bakit motion ki bakit kok ki bakit doyong ki ba palat ya ka life hoton sejrong ki ya man la ka bet na kete ki jaga na po ki jeng dam sai te hakane ke jingya lenti ngila ya kran ru bagi pulit traffic ki baju up te po jingking dap ban kali ba bali pi pelat ki ni kali ki bal akit overload ki ong baka kamram jungi kalong tang ban su pelat namar la patha ki ba ki de ban pelat kawai wo kamut kawai dalalat kawai sata siliang kamut once kawai dalalat kawai once kawai kata ka de ka duty jung ki pulit traffic ki badan hang te po dam sai te hadin bangi sngau thu ba ban yakran ba kitu na poiras airu ni la sedang ban ya keren do bagi kat tu kat ni ki dalal ki baju penia kini kam doyong nyong ye ki ba ngila batru southly ki trok jong we dalal nyong yu ba perkhat lem na ka benta ka yap ka im jong ki parari jong ki badan sha tham Ri Bhoi lada ka ne ka dam ka tua lani ka klem ka ne ka dam ngin sa satang ha ki jingyam pangnut ha ki jingja umat bat mano bala ban pen empat kita ki mensim ki koridor ki baniap lagi pau hajar ki lakngot wada kam kata asanang piong ba kam kata asanang siapa sor Shillong kam kata harel da kata ka dam ka tua kan kata alot ya ke jela bro kawai namar ba ka Shillong city hi bro kawai bat ka rikasi jenta jungi kalat bro khat ni pen kam na kalat ka ba yo lamba jung ti ka dam sai jela da ka tua ka dam sai ka kata alot ya bro khat kada ka kamram juga police department hak jing sisya ban pet ya katu ke jing yat jong kini kali ban pet ya ke jing khia jong ya ke jing kit khia jong kini kali ban ha ka chu ka por ka balngo kalong ba ke jing bu jong ke transport department ya katu kesan board ban ong ba ambet ban kit palat ka arpoton kumnong intip ba kit palat ka arpoton nomor ba kamdan ka wedge bridge kamdan ke jaga thau nang tin nang stone ki bawan na kalang kamdan jaga thau te kini ki ong bat la da pi ong ba boleh pikit tam ki ong ikit tang arpoton tengi pat ngila itu ya ke jingya jung kali kepala kit pala di ka arpotan la itu be ker komya jung kali nomor ba sistem bangiru ngide ki nong bela kali mo so palat ya kata katon kemut ke kali la ya la itu be kit kan arpotan ya hak be de kene ke benta keseng Hnym he kada penram jur hadu kata-kata kini he aspa ki jungi kubong sem la kan snap show ya ke jing im jung ki parari jungi ke badan tham Ri Bhoi